Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Kia Forte oxygen sensor faults and what can lead to them. The oxygen sensor measures the level of oxygen in the exhaust, helping the engine control fuel mixture and emissions. When it malfunctions, the vehicle may experience poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, or the check engine light may come on. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. One common cause is contamination from engine oil or coolant entering the exhaust system, which can coat the sensor and affect its readings. Another factor is prolonged exposure to unburned fuel, which can overheat and damage the sensor's internal components. Worn or damaged wiring and connectors can also interrupt the sensor signal, leading to faulty readings. In some cases, engine misfires or fuel system problems can cause repeated oxygen sensor errors if not addressed promptly. Symptoms of a failing sensor include decreased fuel economy, rough engine performance, and higher emissions. To fix the problem, the faulty oxygen sensor is usually replaced with a new one specified by the manufacturer. It's also important to address any underlying engine issues, such as misfires, leaks, or fuel mixture problems, to prevent repeated sensor failure. Professional inspection is recommended to confirm the fault and ensure proper replacement, as a malfunctioning sensor can affect both performance and emissions compliance. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.